It's it's time for another review. Hello, it's that TV girl and I'm back with another review, and don't worry, it's not of Game of Thrones latest season's episode 1 because I don't want to be the asshole who spoils it for you by giving you spoilers. Just like those fucking assholes who spoiled it for me yesterday on Twitter. Come on dudes, we all have busy lives and we can't all get up at 7:30 AM on a Monday to watch it on fucking Hotstar. So give the people a break. Don't be assholes. Anywho, today I'm going to be reviewing Zakir Khan's latest Amazon video comedy special, which is called Haq Se Single. So firstly, Zakir Khan, if you haven't heard of him before, well, I actually heard of him. I think he was the opener comedian who would rile the audience up just before AIB's Hotstar original, which was called On Air with AIB. Then I also saw him in the video which had him going to school kids and doing comedy for them with Biswa and Kanan Gill and I think Abish Mathew. But the video that totally worked for him was when he did a review of Tip Tip Barsa Pani with Akshay Kumar to bhai hamare. So, you know who he is, right? Right. So getting on to the special, it's a 1 hour 50 minutes, I think. So it's a pretty long special. And it's stories about how he falls in love, how he breaks up, and then how he's haq se usne pyar kiya and haq se he's single again. So the entire special is stories from his life, and it's not chota like 5-minute segments that put together to make a set. It's a long storytelling process. So each instance is told and the scene is set up like you would be sitting right there and your close friend would be telling you. That's why I deal with Haq Se Single. Everyone has that one friend who's just funny. He's not the village idiot, but he's just funny. The way he talks, the way he tells stories, he'll always be the life of the party. Zakir Khan's storytelling or his andaz of speaking to the audience is just that. He's very like, bhai to hamare, pata hai, bhai to tumhare warrior hai. And then his story about when he first took a girl out to a sushi restaurant and he ate wasabi and andhera ho gaya. Or when he found an elaichi in the biryani. Or when he had to actually say sab kuch haan to a girl because obviously he wanted to get into her pants and wanted to be her boyfriend, and he had to actually believe that Sachin sabka baap nahi hai. So see, he does feel like that friend who would be the life of the party, but would you pay good money to see this guy do stand-up on a big stage? That's where I stop on Haq Se Single. It's great comedy and it's very relatable comedy because he's so good at delivering the lines. But as I said, I would love to have this friend over and giggle all day, but I wouldn't necessarily pay money to watch this on a big stand-up stage because it's good, but it's really not that great. You know, the one thing that stands out to me in this entire single is that he's so humble and he's such a down-to-earth guy, which just is the first thing that you will notice about him, and it is the last thing that you will notice about the series. It will stay with you. The way he talks about love, it might not make you want to believe in it all over again, but that's that underlying warm feeling that's there throughout the special, which just by that, you should give it one watch at least. You might not last through the entire special, but if you do, you will feel this very warm smile. Hey, and isn't that what life is about? So if you ask me, should you watch Zakir Khan's Haq Se Single? Well, dekho, because it's got good stories on how he fell in love, how he broke up, on how he was in a live-in relationship with a woman and then how he broke up with her, and then he wanted to go punch the face of the other guy that she was seeing within the same restaurant that he had the biryani in. Watch for all of this because they are your everyday problems. They're stereotypical, but bhai to warrior hai aur warrior ko to chance dena hi chahiye. So I think you should watch it once. You might not come out of it like holding your tummy funny, but it'll leave you with like a warm feeling and say, "Theek hai bhai, Zakir bhai cool hai." And that's my teeny tiny review of Zakir Khan's latest Amazon video special, and it's called Haq Se Single. If you want to see more videos like this, then you know what you gotta do. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe button right there and you will get new videos straight to your inbox. I try to do new videos every Tuesday and Friday. So make sure you like this video, comment on this video and share this video. I would absolutely love that. Till then, you can always email me on thepostgirl@gmail.com, and I'm always available on social media to do a little chitter chatter. So till the next video, adios amigos, and keep watching that TV.